Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin Daily Analysis for today, Friday, 26th of July of 2024. Bitcoin has a pretty interesting day because it went down the most part of the day. We will analyze that. Yesterday we were talking about this song, and this zone. Well, Bitcoin, it touched the first zone and passed through, and in the second zone it was a lot of hours. We will see in the 1 hour time frame. Did you see this? This blue line is the order block that we marked in the yesterday, and the Bitcoin was hanging around for around for, for over 12 hours in this order block, and finally managed to go up and had a very decent recovery. But but there's always a but, guys. We have this low here and this other low below. In this zone, we have a lot of liquidity. A lot of liquidity. This zone will be to arrive to this zone will be pretty painful. For now, I don't think it's likely because Bitcoin just has a big recovery, and for now, I think it recovered during for the day around 3.7%. That is a lot. So for now, I think it's very unlikely to have the recover, to have to come back again. But we will mark this midpoint because are very important, and these midpoint are very likely that Bitcoin will come back and touch this zone maybe the next week, and we will see what's happened. But taking consideration that in this zone we have a lot of liquidity, and maybe we can touch this zone from here going and then goes up to break all-time highs. But for now, I think it's very likely that Bitcoin will continue to go up. We need to see how far we can get. Other important point here is this midpoint. Always 501.A. This midpoint are huge zones of resistance. So look here, and of course the high of yesterday. These are very important point, and we need to see how Bitcoin reacts. If we are super bullish, we want to Bitcoin pass through all this zone of resistance without any problem, just pass. But if we see some kind of trouble here and hanging around, maybe Bitcoin will come back, touch the zone, and maybe swipe this a lot of liquidity that we have here. So for now, the main scenario is being bullish because we have a huge recovery. We swipe a lot of liquidity, but we need to see what's happening here and here, because we have here a daily order block that is another zone important. So here we have two critical zones: the high of this Wednesday candle and the order block from the Sunday 21. That was the last bullish day before this dump. And in this dump we go down for about 7.3%. So what can I say, guys? It's very for me, the scenario is going up and maybe touch this zone, touch this, and come back. This is what I think will happen, because for now this recovery hasn't been very strong for me. Bitcoin when it wants to recover, it recovered with a lot of strength and in the same day passed through up without problem. But now was some kind of recover slowly, and now is weekend. So we are very close to the weekend. So maybe Friday we will go up a little bit, Saturday, Sunday, and then next week continue to going down. But we will see what's happened Friday, today. We will see what's happened in the weekend and see, and then evaluate for now. Evaluate well, but for now, I'm still bullish, looking all these zones to see how Bitcoin react, especially all these mark zone. But the huge important zone for me is this, because we have a lot of liquidity, guys, a lot of liquidity, and this zone because it's the I think it's near the midpoint of this huge range. Yeah, it's just below. It's just below this point of the below the 50% of discount. So for me, this is the main scenario, guys. I see. So that's the Bitcoin analysis for today. Hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Well, take care. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.